Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. First, hold for a while home screen of your phone and then tap the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, let's add the calendar widget. Just tap once on the widget and now it's added successfully to your home screen. If you want to move widgets on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize it you should just hold it for a while, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. If you wanna just remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.